In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Zendesk. If you want your marketing, sales, and support tools to work better together, connecting HubSpot with Zendesk is a great place to start. This integration helps keep customer conversations and contact information more aligned across both platforms, which can make your team more efficient and improve visibility into the customer experience. To begin, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and workspace before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one portal. Starting from the right HubSpot account will help avoid installing the integration in the wrong place. Once you're inside HubSpot, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Marketplace icon. This is where HubSpot stores its available apps and integrations. The Marketplace is essentially the hub for connecting third-party tools. So this is where you'll go anytime you want to expand HubSpot's functionality with another platform. After opening the Marketplace, search for Zendesk. You can use the search bar to find it quickly. As you type, HubSpot should begin showing matching results. When Zendesk appears, select it to open the integration page. This page will usually give you a quick overview of what the app does, along with the permissions or connection details involved in the setup. Next, click Install. Once you do that, the system will prompt you to sign in. This sign-in step is important because it allows HubSpot and Zendesk to securely connect. Follow the on-screen prompts and make sure you authorize the integration if asked. Depending on your access level, you may need the appropriate admin or account permissions in one or both platforms to complete the connection successfully. As you go through the sign-in process, take a moment to review any access requests carefully. It's always a good idea to understand what data is being shared between platforms so you know exactly how the integration will function. And that's the setup process. After the connection is complete, you can begin using HubSpot and Zendesk together to create a more connected workflow between customer support and customer relationship management. If the integration doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page, since some connections can take a little time to fully activate. That's it for this tutorial. You now know how to integrate HubSpot with Zendesk.